mister?
Gregory Malcolm.
Uh-oh. What are you doing, mister?
Gregory Malcolm. I'm not turning around.
Is he letting out aggression or what? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Gregory Malcolm. Gregory Malcolm. What are you doing?
Gregory.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Mm-hmm. Did you pull out that whole thing of wipes?
Not all of them.
He's like, no, there's more up there. You see?